McCall's baking channel. My name is Kay Wong, and as the pastry chef on the McCall's baking team, I love to find fun, creative ways to use some of our McCall's products. Today I will be showing you how to create a spooky, brightly colored Halloween-themed cake that will look perfect on your dessert table this October. Follow along as I show you how to decorate this cake like a professional pastry chef. But don't worry, it's not hard at all once you know the right steps. So let's get started. You will need a black McCall's cake board, some white easy ice frosting, Halloween sprinkles, and McCall's black and orange drip icing. Place your cake board on a turntable and take out your baked orange and green cake layers. Place a layer of orange cake on the cake board. Use a round cookie cutter to remove the center of the green cake and the orange cake layer. You can discard the cutout cake circles, but I like to enjoy them as a little cake snack while I put together the real Halloween cake. Scoop some McCall's Ready Ice frosting onto the orange cake layer. Spread the frosting across the cake with a metal offset spatula. You only need a little bit just to seal in any crumbs from the cake. Pipe a ring of frosting around the edge of the cake. Place the green cake layer on top of the orange, pressing them together well. Pipe a ring of frosting around the green cake layer and add the remaining orange layer on top as well. Add one more ring of frosting on top of the orange layer of cake. Grab a small bowl and mix a few kinds of Halloween sprinkles together. We used Halloween 3-color pearl mix, Tombstone sprinkles, and a skull and bone mix. A perfect blend of spooky sweetness. Scoop the sprinkles into the center of the cake, filling up the center completely. Place the last green cake layer on top of the cake, closing the sprinkles inside. Use some McCall's liquid gel purple violet food coloring to dye your frosting purple. Scoop the purple icing onto the cake and use an offset metal spatula to spread across the cake, making the icing as smooth as possible. When you frost a cake, you want to use the back of the offset spatula as it will make the frosting easier to push around, giving you more control over where the frosting goes. The back of the spatula is also perfectly straight, so the sides of your cake will be straight as well. A good offset spatula is a cake decorator's best friend. Now it's time to use your black and orange drip icing. Squeeze the large drop of black icing near the edge of the cake, letting it pool on top of the cake and then drip down the sides. Make the dots all the way around the top of the cake. Repeat with the orange drip icing. Pipe a shell border around the bottom edge of the cake using the purple frosting. Feel free to make a different border around the base if you feel more comfortable with a different piping design. Make your cake unique. Do a reverse shell border on the top of the cake. Sprinkle some Halloween sprinkles around the top edge and then toss some sprinkles around the bottom as well. Decorate the cake with Halloween-themed cake pops, chocolates, and pretzels. Get creative and use whatever Halloween decorations you have on hand. We made a skeleton using royal icing skull and some white chocolate dipped pretzels. Then we popped a few Halloween chocolate pops on top and a pumpkins around the cake as well. You should definitely check out our Halloween cake decorating options at McCalls.ca. We have a lot of items for you to choose from. Top your cake with a few McCall's Truffles to really make your cake complete and really decadent. The perfect Halloween drip icing cake is done. Doesn't it look amazing? and one cut into the center of the cake will reveal those festive hidden sprinkles. Your guests will never expect bones and skulls to come pouring out of the cake. When you make this drip icing cake for your next Halloween party, be sure to take a picture and tag us at Love McCall's. Subscribe to our YouTube channel as well to get more exciting cake and dessert ideas. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram so you can see what we're baking every day in the McCall's kitchen. We'll see you soon!